Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials, back up important files, and ensure the device is plugged in and on a steady network. Once done, free the required disk space and close non-essential apps so updates can write files without conflict. Next, open your system or App Store update interface and review pending updates. Prioritize firmware and security patches first. Make sure you have admin rights or credentials ready, because the first actionable step is to click Install and let the system download packages. Once downloads begin, monitor progress and address prompts immediately. Accept permissions, close conflicting apps, and allow optional drivers if they support hardware. If multiple updates queue, install critical system and firmware updates first, then applications to reduce rollback risk. Watch for messages about retries or held packages. Make note of any error codes. If an update requests a staged reboot, perform it promptly and avoid interrupting power. Make sure to follow any post-restart steps the updater displays to complete. You finish by verifying updates applied. Open settings or about to confirm new version numbers, and then launch critical applications to ensure they run. If something fails, reboot into safe mode and try repairing or uninstalling the recent update. Use System Restore or a backup image if necessary. Make sure to document any error messages and check update logs for failing components. A key troubleshooting tip: if updates hang or cause boot issues, restore from the backup you made and then install updates incrementally to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.